make Pichi-Pichi. First, let's measure the ingredients. So now, we're going to chop and grate the cassava. Next, let us boil some water. Okay, so now that we're done grating the cassava, let's mix them in a bowl. Then let's add the sugar and our coconut milk. Let's mix it well. After mixing it, it should look like this. And then, let's add in the pandan flavor and the lime water. Let's separate them into two bowls because I want to add food coloring. This part is optional. Let's grease the puto cups and add the mixture in. Let's gently place them in the steamer. Now that the steamer is boiling, we can put Pichi-Pichi. Okay guys, I think it's ready. Let's take it out. Since the Pichi-Pichi is cooked, let's take it out from the steamer. Such a lot of steam. the puta cups and let's put the coating. Guys, look at the Pichi-Pichi. Oh, so cute. Look at this, guys. It's the invasion of the cheese. Pichi-Pichi versus the desiccated Pichi-Pichi. Look at that. Beautiful. Time for taste test.
Wait. Sit. Sit. Slow.
How was it?
Slow.
How was it?
3 paws up. Because without the 4th paw, she would be floating around. Next, cheese. Cheese from it.
What are you doing? Someone wants to volunteer again.
Stop. Slow.
She just wants it.
So annoyed.
How was it?
Fantastic.
How was it?
Ow, ow. Bilang in.
Okay. Anyways, thank you.